Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at the gaming computer Lian Li computer case. Now this computer is built by a professional computer shops, and this is the case here. It's actually quite nice. I quite love it. It is not so big, but it's quite well built, very heavy, very clean and nice and slick build. So at the bottom here, what I like about it is you can actually pull out this bottom and then you can quickly view the power supply information. You can also quickly release and put the hard drive in here, so you can actually pull it out like that. You can easily pull it out and push it in, and that lock into place. So it's very nice. It's got 3 slots right here. At the top is the glass panel, so you can see through your computer. You can also open up the glass panel here as well. So just pull out and it will open like that. And in here we can view inside. Let me just turn on the flashlight so you can see. So inside the computer, the compartment's got a slot for the fan, and then obviously you got slot for the motherboard there. We've got a cooler, like a radiator cooler for the CPU on this side here. Very nice, clean, everything looks very nice and neat on this computer. You can see the cables are not everywhere. Okay, so at the top here there are grills at the top, and also fans. So we've got fans here. There are ports at the top, power button, and you got USB port and headphone jack, even USB-C as well here. So you've got the C, the M, and the power button and the reset button. The front here, you also got the grill and 3 fans, 1, 2, 3. So 3 fan cooler. Then we move to the other side. Here on the other side, again, this bottom part, you can open it. So you can open it like this, and that's come down, and then you can swing open the glass door, and that just come off. It gets sticking with this magnetic button here. So you've got the magnetic button sticking to the slot. At the back here, it is nicely covered, so everything's all covered up. You don't see messy cables everywhere. You can simply use your hand and twist open the swirls, and that simply just come off, and there the wires will be exposed. Another one over here, you can simply just unscrew like this to open it, and this cover will pops open. Now there are 2 slots here for the hard disk as well, so you can mount the additional SSD hard disk on here. And you got the power supply review and lots of cable tied down on the side here. So all the cables, you can see the back of the motherboard on this case. Okay, so that's the case right there. We close it, and then we go to the back of the computer. So even here it's got hinges that you can swing open this. If you unscrew it, you can this actually hinges for the side door. Sorry, so you can't really open this back here, but you got the motherboard compartments right here, the panels right here for the OS motherboard. There's a fan here and some slots for add-ons. So you got add-ons that you can add at the back here. And you got 1 slot here for the power. So there is a tray at the bottom. Look like there is a tray. Maybe it's a grill that help prevent dust coming in. So we can take this one out and clean it. At the moment it looks quite clean. This computer is 4 years old, but it's still relatively quite clean. It's not going in the right slot, so we need to pop it in the right slot to close it. So yeah, that is the Lian Li computer case. This is a gaming computer. Back in the day, it is quite a high-built, high-spec computer. And yeah, that's everything on a case. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, this is the case when it is turned on. It's got LED light. The RAM also have light in it. The fans got light, and the front also have the lighting on it.